Here's the old key fob and the new one. This is by Boost Auto Parts. Not sponsored, but a great product. I'll show you how to install it. Okay, so to program your new key fobs, what you'll do is you'll hold down the lock button, and while holding that down, you'll cycle your key on ignition, off, ignition, and leave it off. Then you can let go of this hand. Then you'll be in programming mode. So then what you'll do is you'll take all the fobs and you'll hold the lock and unlock buttons together for about 15 seconds, and then you'll hear a beep. Then do that to all remotes, new and old, whichever ones you want. And then from there, you can turn on the truck and they'll all be synced up. And then you can test them all. And if not, just try the process again. And that's how you do it. Simple as that.